let's come to the budget as well. And what is it that you're expecting as far as the infrastructure sector is concerned?
Personally, as part of this organization, and our organization has been contributing in a small way in nation building, I feel that, because I just heard the anchor also talking, that now budget does not change the index in a big way, because ultimately life goes on. But I feel that the government at center has done really well so far, because when you hear what has happened in Europe, when you hear some of the biggest names in the economy actually struggling, India has maintained a growth rate of almost 6.5%. And personally, I feel that the clearances of various projects which is delayed, whether it is environmental, whether it is coal problems, whether it is some another, there are various. In fact, what has happened in last about 18 months or so, that the investment flow has been actually going slow, almost continuously. One of the steps which government took now to ease the liquidity is one very good step forward. But they need, in my opinion, government of India will do more to increase the investment flow in different sectors, whether it is infrastructure, whether it is fertilizer, whether it is development of coal block. Because I personally feel that coal, there are issues, because coal, government of India, Coal India is not able to provide. The Honorable Prime Minister was pragmatic enough that he has directed people that power company should get coal. But ultimately, we have so much coal blocks. There has to be a very national policy how to optimize the production from the coal blocks which were allotted 5 years back, 4 years back, 7 years back, and not come into operation for reasons. There can be some reasons with allottees, but I think there are more reasons for clearances. So in my opinion, it is not just to increase taxes. In fact, in my opinion, there should be a very new impetus for investment, and the infrastructure companies, they should get definite incentive to invest, and they should be able to get cheap funds from the market, and they should be able to reinvest their surpluses, so that in next 10 years we are able to develop infrastructure which is world class, not only in Delhi or Bombay, but in at least 30 cities of India.